What if I told you, one of the most insane naked bikes ever created is making a comeback, and this time, it's even more aggressive, more powerful, and more brutal than before. This is the 2026 Suzuki B-King 1340, and honestly, this machine doesn't just ride, it dominates. If you're into raw power, street presence, and that intimidating road aura, then stay with me, because what you're about to see might be the craziest naked bike revival of this decade. Now let's rewind for a second. Back in the late 2000s, Suzuki shocked the world when they introduced the original B-King, a bike that looked like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. It was bold, muscular, and unapologetically loud in its design language. While most naked bikes were trying to be minimal, the B-King went in the opposite direction. It was huge, it was aggressive, and it was powered by a detuned version of the legendary Hayabusa engine. Yes, you heard that right. A naked bike, with a Hayabusa heart. And now, in 2026, rumors, leaks, and concept renders suggest that Suzuki is bringing that beast back, and this time, they're not holding anything back. Let's talk design first, because this is where things get seriously wild. The new B-King 1340 is expected to carry forward that same muscular DNA, but with a modern twist. Imagine sharp LED headlights that look like the eyes of a predator, a wide, bulky fuel tank that screams dominance, and an exposed frame that gives it that raw mechanical beauty. The exhaust system. Massive. Twin pipes that look like rocket launchers. This isn't just a bike you ride, it's a bike that announces your arrival before you even get there. And when it comes to street presence, nothing comes close. Now let's move to the heart of this monster. The engine. If Suzuki stays true to its legacy, the 2026 B-King will likely feature a 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, inspired directly from the Hayabusa. We are talking about insane power figures, somewhere around 180 to 200 horsepower. Let that sink in for a second. A naked bike, pushing that kind of power, without the full fairing to hold it back. That means pure, raw acceleration, instant throttle response, and a riding experience that's not just fast, but borderline savage. Twist the throttle, and this thing doesn't just accelerate, it explodes forward. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Probably under 3 seconds. And the top speed. Let's just say, it's more than enough to make your heart race. But power alone isn't enough in 2026. This is where technology comes in. The new B-King is expected to feature advanced rider aids like traction control, multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, quick shifter, and maybe even a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity. So while the bike is a beast, it's also smart enough to keep you in control. Because let's be real, handling that much power on a naked bike is no joke. Speaking of handling, Suzuki is likely to equip this machine with high-performance suspension, possibly fully adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock tuned for both street and aggressive riding. The chassis will be lightweight but strong, giving you stability at high speeds and confidence in corners. Wide tires, strong braking system, probably Brembo or something equally powerful. Everything about this bike is built to handle extreme performance. Now let's talk about comfort, because you might be thinking, a bike this aggressive must be uncomfortable, right? Well, not exactly. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and improved ergonomics mean you can actually ride this beast for longer distances, without feeling like your back is about to give up. It's still aggressive, but not punishing. And that's what makes it perfect for both city rides and highway blasts. Now here's the big question. Why is the B-King so special? Why are people so excited about its return? The answer is simple. Because it's not trying to be like other bikes. In a world where most naked bikes are becoming more refined, more compact, and more predictable, the B-King is wild. It's bold. It's different. It doesn't follow trends, it creates them. It's the kind of bike that turns heads at every signal, the kind that makes people stop and stare. And the kind that makes riders feel something real. That raw connection between man and machine. That adrenaline rush. That uncontrollable grin under your helmet. And if Suzuki actually launches this in 2026, then trust me, the naked bike segment is about to get shaken. Because competitors will have to step up. Big time. Now let's talk price expectations. If this bike becomes a reality, we can expect it to be priced in the premium category. Somewhere between high-end naked bikes like the Yamaha MT-10, Kawasaki ZH2, or Ducati Street Fighter. But considering what it offers, the design, the engine, the legacy, it might just be worth every single dollar. And honestly, this isn't just a motorcycle. It's a statement. A statement that says, you don't ride to blend in. You ride to stand out. You ride for power. For thrill. For that unmatched feeling of freedom. So, is the 2026 Suzuki B-King 1340 really coming back? At this point, it's still in the realm of concepts and leaks. But one thing is clear. The hype is real. And if Suzuki is listening, then maybe, just maybe, we'll see this beast hit the streets again. And when it does, it won't just arrive quietly. It will roar. If you enjoyed this video and want more insane bike content like this, make sure to subscribe to Smart Drive Hub HUB. Because here, we don't just talk about bikes. We live them.